Guys, Alexa, stop. So today we're gonna be making fluffy slime. It is one of the funnest things to do. So for all you need is shaving cream, some lotion. I'm gonna add some food dye, so that, and actually I have to find the food dye, but some solution or Staflo. So this is like saline solution or eye contact solution, and obviously glue, and then detergent for like a saline. First, we're gonna add in some glue. Alright. That's about good right there. And a big blob just went in. Alright. This is gonna be a pretty big batch, but it's still gonna be good. So, that, and I'm actually gonna add a pretty good amount of the spray. So, alright, alright, then we're just gonna add some food dye here. That's good right there. So let's mix this up. Oh yes, this is gonna be amazing. So probably gonna add a little bit more food dye. You just gotta scrape the sides.
That's almost a snot green.
I know. Ugh. It's like one little drop, probably more. Get the rest of it green. There you go. Alright, and then you're gonna add the solution, the eye solution after, with laundry detergent. Usually it's stronger, so I'm probably gonna start using my hands in a second, just to start kneading it. So, alright, cool. Cool. Alright, so we're gonna start kneading it for a little bit until it gets solid, and then if it's not solid enough, and then it should be a little like wet and sticky at first, yeah, and then it slowly gets pretty non-sticky, so it's already turning into a slime. So scrape the sides, put it into the dough, and yeah. Perfect. It's a little weird consistency, but alright, it's getting a little better. It's a little chunky, it's weird. Alright, yeah. Alright, so it's about kneaded. It's pretty stretchy. It did some good green slime, but I think I'm just gonna add a little bit more glue. So, what's that? Yeah, here. It's really cool, like it just stretches. Oh man. Plop. Perfect. And after you knead this, we should be about done with the whole thing, but yeah. Alright, almost here. Dang. Cool. So, alright, so getting pretty stretchy, so that should be about it for fluffy slime. I don't know. It's kind of a weird little slime to flurry. It's fun to make, but you can do other slimes that I made just how to make a regular slime. So if you guys don't know that, it's pretty easy. It's just glue and the eye solution or laundry detergent. So yeah, that should be it. So green slime, that's pretty good. Alright, so also made a white one, but this one is the really good one. So hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.